Hello everyone, welcome back to Desmabloom. I just wanted to come here and explain why I've not been posting or even going live like before. My phone recently got spoiled, my camera got spoiled, the back camera, and since I can't create videos using my front camera, which I'm using now, yeah, that thing has really slowed me down, and that's what I always use for the live sessions and even to record my video tutorials. I truly enjoy creating content for you guys, and I really want to get back to consistent uploads and even live sessions. If anyone would love to help me or even to help me replace the camera or even buy a new phone or a camera, I'd really appreciate. You can send me M-Pesa or buy me coffee. The little support will really help, and it will help me get back to the posting. Yeah, so you can send something through my M-Pesa if you have, or you can buy me a coffee. The buy me coffee link is on my description box, the description box of this video, or even my profile, the bio. You will get it there. Here is my M-Pesa number. It's also on my bio. It's on the screen. Yeah, you can see it. You can send something through there, or even the buy me coffee link. I will really appreciate whatever little that you help me with, and thank you so much for understanding and for always supporting my beadwork journey. I love you all, and I can't wait to be back with more tutorials and the live sessions soon. See you then. Bye.